Hey, what's up, guys? We are coming to you live from I-205, and we are looking at Amores 1-9 today. I know we went over these lines in class, but I wanted to make this video to make sure that you got what we were translating. So in the very first line, this is where Cupid is going to start comparing lovers and soldiers. And so he says here, omnis amans, literally every lover. And Lucas, this is the word for lover. Even though it looks like a participle, you can traditionally translate this word as lover. So amans, somebody in love, right? So everybody who's in love, right? He acts as a soldier, militat. That's your verb. Literally, it means something like he serves in the military. So every lover is a soldier. And this is your subject. And then we talk about Cupid again. And Cupid's subject, Habet, has sua castra, his own camp. So that's your direct object of Habet. Okay. So, and Cupid has his own camp. Then we get a vocative, O Atticus, creda mihi. So I have an imperative verb. That's a command form. Pink is dative. That's the object of the verb crede. So Atticus, trust me, believe me. And then a repetition of that first line. Omnis amans militat. Every lover is a soldier. Aitas, in line 3, is your subject. The age, quai, and now you have to go back here because you have a relative clause. So the age, quai. Tell me more about the age. The age which est is habilis. The age which is suitable for war. So that's a dative with a special adjective. The age which is suitable for war, quoque, also is convenit, is convenient, is appropriate for Veneri, for Venus. And you guys know that Veneri, that's metonymy for love. Senex miles in line 4. So a soldier who is advanced in age, senex, is torpe, and this is nominative, but it's also neuter, so we need to translate it like a neuter noun. A senex, an old soldier, is a undesirable, is an ugly thing, and an old love, subject to, is also nominative neuter, is also an ugly thing. Okay? Duques in line 5, so here's your subject. Generals, petiere, have sought quos animos. So here's your direct object. Have sought these animos, these spirits, these qualities, in a brave soldier, and a bella puella, and a beautiful girl. Petit looks for the same things, looks for these same things in a socio viro, right? In a man, a social man as he is. More comparisons, both of them pervigilant, stay up all night. Uterque, both of them rest, terra, on the ground. So orange, we'll do orange for ablative. And the reason I know this is ablative is because if I scan, this comes out as a long A. So that's going to wind up being ablative case. And each one of those rests on the ground. One of them, ile, one of them, servat, stands guard at the fores, so your accusative, at the fores, at the door of his mistress. But what about the other one? and that one, the one over there. And then you have to kind of supply the verb and the direct object into here, okay? So, and one of them does this, and the other one stands guard at the door, and then I get the genitive back here, at the door of his general, okay? So that's lines 1 to 8. Any questions on that? No? All right, let's go to line 9. Militis onficium longest via mita puellam. So it says here, the longa via, and you have to take these two things together. The longa via est, the long road, so all this is nominative and there's your verb. The long road is the, and this is the apposition, the appositive. So it's kind of like an equal sign. The long road is the duty, is the job of the soldier. Mite puellam. And I think this is an imperative, but I think you have to kind of understand something like if you send his girl away. So send the girl away, direct object of mite. Send away the girl and the amans, the lover, strenuous, right? Strenuous, eagerly, the eager lover, sequator. This is a future 1A 5Es. The eager lover will pursue with an ablative absolute, right? With the end, fine, having been put aside. So how could we do this? The lover will pursue to no end, with no end in sight, I think is how we would do this in English. And what will he do when he starts pursuing? He will go in adversos montes. So here's accusative of place to which. He will go into harsh mountains. And he will go into flumina. So here's another prepositional phrase. He will go into flumina, rivers which have been duplicata, literally doubled. So if you can imagine rivers swelling, rivers doubled by means of snow, nimbo, right? Which means the water level rises in the rivers. And what else? And he, Ile, will wear down exterret congestas nives. These are snows that have been packed together. So he will wear down these snows that have been piled up. And what else will he do? And he will pressurus, when he is about to press on the reins, freta, okay, so there's your direct object of pressurus. Pressing on the sea. I made that mistake. So when he's about to press on the sea, he will plead not causabitur. So here's your verb. The tumi dos euros. So here's the adjective noun pair. He will plead the euros, the swollen euros, the east winds. And I think our note says this is more like an active form. So the east winds swelling. And he will quiret, and he will seek the sidera. So these are stars. So he will seek the stars, which are apta. Right? So remember, we're always looking for the other word. He will seek the stars, which are apt or suitable for, and now I have a dative for pink, for conquering the seas, verendis aquis. And that's as far as we're going to get right now to line 14. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'm going to upload this shortly. Thanks for watching, and good luck.